minutes, going too fast, future or past, like there is no present. Awake at night, pondering life, really has me thinking. When it comes to us, there's no need to rush.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, she's gonna jump the gap.
I wanna take the scenic route. You are high altitude, the air is thin when I'm with you. You are a breathtaking view, and I don't wanna just pass on through. Yeah, I wanna take the scenic route. Pack up the car, drive for miles, got nowhere to go. All I see is you and me and the open road. What do you say we head to the lake and watch the sun go down? Talk about dreams, anxieties, and what this life's about. When it comes to that, we ain't gotta know fast. When it comes to you, I wanna take the scenic route.
Alright, we made it to the top of Pikes Peak. Took us about an hour 40 minutes, so not too bad. And the last mile was pretty much all scrambling though, so that was a little tough, but we made it.
A breathtaking view, and I don't wanna just pass on through. Yeah, I wanna take the scenic route.
After hit the top of the map, the infamous donuts at the peak of Pikes Peak.
Happy birthday, Courtney! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you! Woo! Happy birthday, Chris!
Thank you guys!